Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this from. This is Cornelius Tubinda with another video. So we are going to continue from where we ended. This is question B, where we are being asked to find dy dx. Okay, we have been asked to find the derivative of this product of two functions. Okay, so to continue, what we are going to say first of all is we're going to let v be equal to one function, and then we're going to let u be equal to another function. Okay, so here the first step is what I've said. So we are going to say let u be equal to x squared, comma v be equal to x squared minus 2x raised to the power 4. And then we differentiate this separately. Du dx is going to be equal to a 2x, and then dv dx is going to be equal to a 4 multiplied by x squared minus 2x, like that, raised to the power 3, multiplied by the derivative of the core is going to be 2x minus 2. That's the derivative of the core. Then we are going to have du dx is equal to 2x, and then your dv dx is equal to I think we can expand this so that it can become something like this: 4 multiplied by 2x minus a 2 multiplied by x squared minus 2x raised to the power 3. That is your dv dx, and this is your du dx, like that. So this is your u, this is your v. And then we write the formula, which is dy dx is equal to u dv dx plus v du dx. Then to continue from there, what we are going to say is equal to u multiplied by dv dx. The u that we let was x squared, so x squared multiplied by the dv dx we found was that right there, which is okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to distribute the 4 in this bracket here. Okay, so don't get confused, but just follow. It's going to become 8x minus 8 multiplied by x squared minus 2x raised to the power 3, like that. So this is your u multiplied by dv dx, and then your v multiplied by du dx. Your v is that right there, so plus we're going to have x squared minus 2x raised to the power 4. Then after doing that, we are going to have our du dx, which was a 2x multiplied by 2x, like that. To continue, we're just going to simply distribute the x squared. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So this is a 2 right here. We're going to distribute the x squared in this bracket. Okay, it's not necessary to distribute the 2x in this bracket because that's the simplest it can become. So it's going to become like this. Let me write it better. So it's x squared multiplied by 8x minus 8, then multiplied by x squared minus 2x raised to the power 3. Then we're going to say plus, okay, x squared minus 2x raised to the power 4 multiplied by a 2x, like that. And then to continue, it's going to become is equal to 8x, okay, cubed minus 8x squared. You close that bracket, then x squared minus 2x raised to the power 3 plus x squared minus 2x raised to the power 4 multiplied by 2x, like that. Then after that, you're going to say dy dx is equal to what? What is common between this first part and this second part? So the parts are being separated by this plus sign right there. This is the first part, then that's the second part. What is common is x squared minus 2x. Now, the only difference is that this is being raised to the power 3, this is being raised to the power 4. So we're going to factor out the smaller one. So which is x squared minus 2x raised to the power 3. Then we are going to say multiplied by what? Multiplied by this. This here, sorry. So multiplied by 8x raised to the power 3 minus 8x squared, like that. That's what we have right there. And then we're going to say plus, okay, plus, here we have x squared minus 2x raised to the power 1 multiplied by a what? A 2x, like that, and like that. We close the parentheses. Okay, so if you look at this nicely, this can still be simplified. So this is a very special question, right? It's a bit difficult. That's all I can say. It's equal to x squared minus 2x raised to the power what? 3. And then inside the parentheses, we can simplify. It's going to become 8x cubed minus 8x squared. The 2x will be distributed in this bracket here, so it's going to be plus 2x cubed minus 4x squared. So it's going to become x squared minus 2x raised to the power 3 multiplied by, so here we have 8x cubed. What else is cubed? So here there's supposed to be plus 2x cubed. I said cubed, but I didn't write cubed. This is supposed to be cubed. So we're going to say plus 2x cubed minus 8x squared minus 4x squared. That's going to be equal to x squared minus 2x cubed multiplied by 8x cubed plus 2x cubed minus 8x squared minus 4x squared. So I haven't changed them anything. I'm just, what I wrote here, I'm just writing it here so that you can see it clearly. Okay, I just did that so that you can be clear of what I'm doing. dy dx therefore will be equal to x squared minus 2x raised to power 3. Then you multiply by, here when you add, you're going to have a 10x cubed. Okay, then here you're going to have minus 12x squared. And this is your final answer. Yeah, this question was quite involving, but don't worry. The next questions I think are going to be much easier than this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. This has been Cornelius Subinda with another video, and bye bye.